reactors, ParaReactor, welcome back to the reaction video. You'll probably hate me after this. I am going to react to another People Are Idiots video, but I realized that the channel People Are Idiots made another channel called People Are Still Idiots. I guess they haven't really launched their new channel a while ago. Maybe they've only done like 6 or 7 videos on that channel so far, which you're definitely going to hate me after this. The video is called Hurricane Irma Compilation. The best video for the victims ever. But it's still going. I think it's still going. I mean, they said there's another hurricane that's going towards Mexico or something. And I'm like, dude, can we fucking chill? And we got a storm called thunder or storm thingy on Thursday across Britain. I'm like, okay. So I hope you stay safe. I hope you are safe, and I hope you are better. If it's still going, then I'm sorry. I should have said that till after the hurricane. And really, I don't know what's gonna expect. So without further ado, let's do this. First reaction of People Are Still Idiots.
Kite surfing behind you? Oh, come on. That's exactly what I wanted to show you, Alex. This is not the scene that officials here, first responders, want to be.
Really?
Because the storm has shifted slightly west.
People
here in Miami Beach, which is under a mandatory evacuation order.
Oh, dude. No. Dude.
Despacito, oh, no. This is how we do it down in Puerto Rico.
Oh my God.
Beach, all the way up to Jacksonville. This moves 20 miles to the west, and you and everyone you know are dead. All of you. Because you can't survive it. It's not possible unless you're very, very lucky.
Wow.
And your kids die too.
Don't say that. Oh no. Oh God. No trampoline. Don't you dare go. There should be the Harry Potter music. I don't know how it goes, but okay. Oh. Nailed it.
Hey you guys, so there's a rainstorm today. Yep, there was. And me and my sweet new sister Caroline, we were outside when it happened. It was beautiful.
Are you fucking nuts?
And the wind, oh, it be blowing.
Trying to save as much water as I can for Irma, you know, gotta put some in here.
That's not a good idea, dude. Especially when it got holes in it.
There you go. There you go. Save up. Save up this water.
That might not be a drinkable water.
Dude, I am F-U-C-K-E-D. Holy shit, I am right in the middle of it.
Wow.
And the most important item needed for prepping for Hurricane Irma is a fucking rope so we can fucking hang ourselves.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Yeah, there's different hurricanes and storms and they're like, dude.
I'm for the bitch, I forgot her name. I can't bob in the weather rain. Gotta go and bob on, man. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Why would you?
Oh my God! A tornado is forming! Bye!
Oh my.
But we going shopping!
Fucking hell.
I'm gonna be butt ass naked so the wind could just be hitting my balls and shit. Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
Water coming in.
Holy shit. That's how much? Fucking hell. Jesus.
Yo, people, look at this.
That's
shit.
how.
Crazy. Look at this fucking water. Look.
Fucking hell. I mean, they leave everyone a chance. Fucking hell.
Why aren't you evacuating? We have the icon of South Beach, so we feel more safe.
You're what?
Prepare for trouble. Make it double.
I mean, there's no way to beat if you died already.
Came out here to do what? What did you guys come out here to do? What was the why? We came out here to experience the weather. We just came out here to experience the weather. Yeah, we heard about all the evacuation going on, but we just came out here to experience the weather. Evacuation.
What?
Because hurricane shopping with Ross. Step 1, take all of the water so that nobody else can have any of it, and you create a huge demand and a low supply. Take every single flashlight. And if you don't need them, it's better to be prepared and not let anybody else have them. Take more than you need. Animals, giant pterodactyl birds, there is literally no tomorrow. He's eyeballing my stuff. He's trying to steal my water. This is my water. The half-life of all the elements. It's going to actually take a couple years before you can actually go outside. Excuse me, miss, do you have your hurricane glasses yet? You don't want, because the ultraviolet rays from the sun get much more intense after. Grab a gas mask as well. Your eyes.
Fucking hell, dude. Oh, man. I mean, all the hurricanes are same, so why is it named differently?
Let's see. Now, as far as severe storms are concerned, on Friday, slight risk of severe storms for the mid-Atlantic states.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Why?
They're heading to the shelters. There are some 10 shelters.
Probably the best video so far. Is that someone surfing? What? Okay. Okay, they're dead now. That's good to know. No, it's okay, they're still alive. They're still alive.
Give me the weather bureau.
Oh, Jesus.
That's where we are, sir. Excellent, outstanding, good. I command you to destroy the hurricane.
Yeah, use your weather controlling machines.
People can't destroy hurricanes, sir.
All right, knock it off course. Do that.
I'm afraid that's impossible, sir.
Damn it, we've tried everything.
Fuck yeah. Oh my god, you gotta be joking me. He said he'll give it about 5. No. Dude, that's just giving the run. Wow. Gotta be fucking joking me. Oh my god. That's just rank.
Ahead of this, a global superstorm developing off towards the Atlantic Ocean. This thing is headed our way, but the key to the forecast, right before this thing makes landfall, it is going to be deflected by Godzilla. Now, a lot can change between now and then. Okay, here's the forecast. Volcano 350 there for Monday. Global superstorm on Tuesday. We could see maybe about 200 inches of rainfall, wind gusts up to 1,000
Floridians! Jesus, calm the
be honest,
down.
I have no idea what's going to happen on that day. After that, though, how about this to finish off the work week? Low humidity, lots of
Really?
sunshine,
Is that really going to
with highs in
happen?
the upper 80s heading into next weekend.
Yeah, next weekend.
May have already heard it has been upgraded to a major Category 5 hurricane. Sustained winds right now, 180 miles per hour with gusts up to 200.
No, dude, come on. Sonic is fighting hurricane. Oh, really? At least it's away from Britain. Wow. I mean, people are like, so, oh, I hope no relatives of yours are like in Florida or something. My mom's aunt is in Florida in Disneyland. like thinning her life. But some of my friends, some of my subscribers, some of my viewers, whatever you want to call them, is actually trying to stay alive and find shelter. But I mean, like, is it really necessary just to call them different names, although they're like identical? Good for them. It's getting really dark, so I'll stop there chatting. So I hope you reacted to the dark video. If you did, it gives you a thumbs up. Comment down below on what other videos you want me to react to next. Today's video, subscribe for reaction videos every day, Monday to Saturday, and sometimes on a Sunday, and also reactors in the next video. Bye!